All right, next we have rational zeros, possible rational zeros for a function. So what we want to do here is we're just going to do this simple formula. It is going to be the factors of p over the factors of q. Okay, where p is your constant and q is your leading coefficient. Okay, so in this problem here, your p is 7, positive 7, and our q is 1. Okay, so I'm going to do the factors of p, which are just going to be plus or minus 1 and 7, since 7 is a prime number, and q is 1, so plus or minus 1. Okay, and then 1 divided by 1 is 1, so plus or minus 1, and then 7 divided by 1 is 7, so plus or minus 7. So your possible real zeros here are 1 and 7, could be positive or negative. For number 17, our p is 8, so our factors of 8 are going to be 1, 2, 4, and 8, so everything that could multiply to 8, and then my q is 2. So we ignore the positive negative here because we're getting that here. Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. So all of the factors could be 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 1/2. Then 2 over 1, 2. Oop, I wrote 2, not 1/2, sorry. 1/2, there you go. And then 2 over 2 is 1, so we already wrote that. 4 over 1 is 4, so plus or minus 4. And then 4 over 2 is 2, we already wrote that. 8 over 1, 8. And then 8 over 2 is 4, we already wrote that. So then these 1, 1/2, 2, 4, and 8 are all my possible zeros for number 17.